Hey YouTube, Matthew from Kinnear Lock and Key here. I'm here in Calgary this week visiting my in-laws, and this is a perfect opportunity to help you with your Weiser Smart Lock. Let's dive into it.
This is the Weiser lock that we're working with today. This model is the Weiser Halo Wi-Fi lock, but most Weiser locks use a similar battery compartment. The battery cover is held in place by these two small tabs. Often the cover can be removed simply by pressing the palm of your hand against it and applying firm upward pressure. If it won't move, not to worry. We can use a couple of basic tools to help. Here we've got a flat head screwdriver and a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. On the battery cover, find this indentation at the bottom. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into the indentation, and give a gentle twist. If the cover still won't come off, it may be held in place by an anti-tamper screw. Take your number 2 Phillips screwdriver and remove these 3 screws on the body. Remove the battery pack by lifting this tab. The Weiser Halo lock uses 4 AA batteries. Better batteries will last much longer, saving you money in the long run. Insert your batteries into the battery case according to the markings on the case. Make sure you orient the battery case properly. This particular lock has a decal on the top of the battery case indicating which direction faces the door. Install the battery case into the lock and press down firmly. Reinstall the cover and you're all done.